Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube video. So if you are a beginner and confused about how to become a data analyst and you want to pursue your career as a data analyst, so this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll be sharing a clear practical roadmap to go from a zero knowledge to job ready. And I would suggest you that make sure you watch the video till the end because I'll share some mistakes that beginners must avoid. Okay, so yeah, being a data analyst, I think I would be the right guy to guide you through this process. This is my LinkedIn profile. You can check out my profile also. Yeah, so this roadmap is designed for students and freshers and for non-technical background who wants to enter into data analytics or who don't have much of coding background, and if they are not much fond of coding, then I would recommend that data analyst would be a good path for their career. You don't need coding much here. Like much coding experience, just consistency and curiosity is what is required. As you can see, like statistics is required. I would say mathematics and statistics both are combined under one section only, and then little bit programming language is required like Python or R. I'll explain what and all are required in this programming language in next slides. And then SQL is required to visualize, because data is basically you need to visualize that, so some visualization tool. So yeah, coming to the learning roadmap, this is basically realistic, I would say 5 months. 5 months realistic timeline. Each month focuses on one of these core skills which you can build step by step. Here, the first month is called the foundation month. In here, you should focus basically on understanding the data fundamentals and Excel. Excel is very important. Excel is very important. Learning formulas like VLOOKUP, ifs. I would write here VLOOKUP, if, count if, count ifs. These are some of the basics formula which are required for a good Excel command, and you can understand about pivot tables as well here. Since Excel is like very vastly used in data analyst and is still the most used tool, I would say. So I would recommend please do not skip it. Coming to the month 2, which is the intermediate month, here I would recommend you guys to go deeper into Excel and start with SQL, structure query language. Learn here, you what you can learn here is like joins, subqueries, subqueries, group by functions are there. Sorry, group by functions are there. Filtering data, you can explore how we can filter data, how we are doing aliasing and all. I would recommend that SQL is very important being a data analyst, because SQL is a backbone for data analytics, because real company uses data which lie in their databases, right? So this is very important. The third month, I would say advanced month, which is the third month and the fourth month combined. Here, I would say this month is all about practice. So since you have learned Excel plus SQL is also done, now you can start practicing and build real world projects on SQLs which require SQL skills and Excel as well. Some of the examples I have mentioned in my next slides, but I would say like sales analysis would be a good project, and customer insights is a good project which you can explore. And I would recommend that project makes your resume stand out and not certifications, right? So you should focus more on project building rather than doing certifications. Yeah, so coming to the professional month, that is our fifth month. Here I would say we are getting introduced to Power BI, which is a visualization tool. But one thing which I want to say, that Python and R, these are the two languages which are used by companies for data analysts, but I would suggest you to go with Python. Here inside Python, as I mentioned in the advanced month, it depends on person to person what is their pace of learning. So I have included in month, advanced month and professional month, both you can utilize for learning Python. In this, you can learn about pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and data manipulation, which are very much required for data analysts. Since Python is very vast, so I would recommend you to focus on what is needed for data analyst only. Like, you don't need to learn each and everything for Python. Um, just learn how to work with data efficiently. That is very much important. In the fifth month, our focus would be with Python. Our focus should be on Power BI as well. This is a visualization tool which is required. Since now you have learned SQL, you have learned Excel, you have good knowledge of Python also. Now how a data analyst works is like they need to represent the data in a visual format, right? So in the visual format there are tools which are used, so I would recommend you go with Power BI. So Power BI is like very visually, you can, that is easy to learn as a beginner, and it can help you to gain good knowledge. So create interactive dashboard, use DAX queries are very much important for Power BI. Understand the basics of every charts and functionality. And one of the major thing which is I would suggest for Power BI is like storytelling. Your dashboard, whichever you are creating, should tell a story. Like, one story should come out of it, like what you want to say, what your dashboard is replicating, right? So that can help the recruiters notice your profile instantly. Coming to the next slide, here are some of the essential tools and technologies. Since I have mentioned in previous slides as well that Microsoft Excel is very much important, Python. In this, whichever libraries are required for data analysts, you should focus on that only, not on all the libraries, right? Our program is required, but I would prefer that if you are master in Python, that is more than enough. This is the ideally on which you can work for Python codes. SQL, I would recommend go with MySQL. That is good. You can learn basics here. I would suggest that one SQL. You can go with W3 School as well. This website, you can learn SQL also basics. It is very helpful. And for the people who are from technical background, they must be knowing MongoDB and Google BigQueries. So if you are new to this, I would recommend go with MySQL. That is very easy to set up. Visualization tool, as I mentioned, there are multiple visualization tool which are available in the market, but majorly many companies, I would say, focuses on Power BI and then Tabula. So I would say that better to go with Power BI only. Coming to some of the project ideas, as I mentioned here, this is just for your reference. I am just giving an idea that how you can approach or start your journey for data analyst. One big mistakes which freshers do here is like they take a copy and pen and they start writing and they start learning. I would recommend don't go with this approach. Just start your project. Start with the project and learn from project. Like, if you have started a project, if you are facing an issue in, suppose, in Power BI, then check what is the issue for the Power BI. Don't go learning Power BI from scratch, that you want to learn this chart first and then this chart, how DEX works. That all are important, but I would recommend start with the project and then and then you will get to know that how this all works. So it would like save your time as well and save your effort as well. This is very important. I have created a summary also for you guys for a 5 to 6 month timeline, that how you can move your journey in data analyst. In the final month is all about getting job ready, build a strong portfolio, update your resume, practice interview questions, and start applying. Okay. At last, I would recommend that please remember that consistency matters more than talent. Follow this roadmap honestly. this roadmap which I have mentioned with you guys. Follow this roadmap honestly. Build projects. Projects are very important because that is what recruiter sees. Projects is very important, and you can land a data analyst role even as a beginner. um, so this was it. If you like this video, do drop a like and share your comments that what else you want here. Think any suggestions, any recommendation, then please do comment. Thank you.